the given data, we're going to calculate the average or mean, median, mode. For an example, let's consider a data like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally, how many number of elements are there? Totally there are 6 numbers, right? So how do you calculate the average? The term average or mean both means the same. Okay. So 5, 10, 5 plus 10 is 15, 30, 50, 80, 105. So the average or mean should be the sum of the given numbers divided by total number of numbers. Total number of numbers is 6. So 105 divided by 6. If you solve this equation like 105, 6 ones are 6, 4, 5, 6 sevens are 42, 3.05. The average of these numbers will be 17.5. So next we're going to calculate the median. So for median, I have two questions, 25, 10, 30, 35 and 5, 20, 10, 35, 30, 15. So first step to calculate the median is, you have to arrange the data in ascending order. You have to arrange the data in ascending order. So if I arrange the data in an ascending order, this example 2 will come in a way. First I have 5, 10, 20, 30, 35. Here 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 35. So then you have to say how many number of elements are there. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number of elements. Here I have 6 number of elements. 5 is the odd number. 6 is the even number. If I have an even number, in order to calculate the median is F is equal to, we have to take the middle two numbers if the number of terms are even. So the middle two number will be 15 and 20. So 15 plus 20 divided by 2. So 35 divided by 2, that will be a 17.5. So this will be the median value for the given number. Okay. Next, if I have an odd, what you will be doing? So if it is an odd number, the formula will be F is equal to n divided by 2. So number of term is 5. 5 divided by 2 is, you will be getting 2.5.
Since I got an answer as 2.5, we have to choose a position which is greater than 2.5. So the third element is 20. So the answer is 20. That's it.
Next we have to calculate the mode. So mode is nothing but the frequency of the data repeated. In these two sums, I don't have any repeated data. For an instance, take another example like 2, 6, 4, 6, 8, 5. Here what is the repeated data? 2, it's not repeated. 6, it's repeated twice. 4 is not repeated. 8 is not repeated. 5 is not repeated. So the mode of this data will be 2. In case 2, 6, 6, 4, 2, 8, what will be the mode? Here I will be having 2 times, 6 2 times. So the mode will be 2 and 6. So this is how we have to calculate the mode. So average, median and mode. This is how we will be calculating. Next we also have something called arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is nothing but when we deal with two data having same unit. For example, 2 meters, 3 meters. When two data have same unit, then we can calculate the arithmetic mean with a formula a plus b divided by 2. So I get 5 divided by 2, that's nothing but 2.5. Then where we go, then when we will be applying a geometric mean, two datas but different units, say meter, centimeter. In that scenario, here meter and centimeter is just an example to portray two different values. You can have multiple difference like meter, kilometer, gram, kilogram, liter, milliliter. So whatever the two different units, and we have to calculate a geometric mean. Then we apply a formula plus or minus root of a and b. And finally we have an harmonic mean. Harmonic mean will be implemented when we are trying to find the ratio between two different units like meter and centimeter, two different units, and I need an harmonic mean. Then we have a formula. Harmonic mean will be 1 divided by a plus n minus 1 divided by d, where d is the difference between the two values. Okay, so these are the three important formulas to calculate the arithmetic mean, geometric mean, and an harmonic mean. These things you have to be very clear.